Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how we can deploy the lock screen wallpaper using Intune proactive detection and remediation script. In the previous video I showed you how we can deploy the desktop wallpaper using the proactive detection and remediation script. We will follow the same step and deploy the lock screen wallpaper. So to do this, you have to download the required PowerShell scripts, and I already downloaded the scripts in my download folder, and I will share the link in the description section. So let me open the PowerShell as an administrator. And in this, first of all, we have to load all the required scripts. So let me first load the Intune encoding image to base 64-bit script. Then we have to load detection lock screen script, and then last script we have to load is remediation lock screen script. So these are the three scripts you need to create a proactive detection and remediation script, and consider a scenario that you want to deploy this lock screen on your required devices. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to copy this image path. Let me copy as path, and you have to go to the Intune encoding image to 64, and in this you have to just update the user input section. You have to provide the image source path. So this is the image source path, and in the output text path you have to provide the same path, but just change the extension from jpg dot to dot txt. And now you have to select the entire script and click on run. So what it will do, it will create a text file. Now we can see that we have a text file, and what we did actually, we converted the entire lock screen image into base 64. And now we have to go to the PowerShell and then open the detection lock screen script. And in this, you have to just update the lock screen file name. So my lock screen file name is lock screen, and make sure that you also include the extension. So this is the extension. And now your script is ready. Detection script is ready. Same thing you have to update in the remediation script. In the user input section, you have to update the encode lock screen and the lock screen file name. So lock screen file name is this, and the encode lock screen, in this you have to update this entire text file content. Copy this and just paste it within this, and make sure that you copy this correctly, and you can validate. In last you have this, it means if you have this in last, it means your things are properly correct configured. And now what you have to do, you just need to save this. So that's all you have to do in the proactive detection and remediation script. You have to first convert the image into base 64, and then you update the detection lock screen script and then remediation lock screen script. Now let's create the script in the Intune portal. So let me go to the Intune portal. Under the devices, we have to go to the scripts and remediations, and then create a script and then give it a name. I just provided the name called deploy lock screen, and then click on next, and then update the detection script and the remediation script. So my detection script in the lock screen folder. This is my detection script, and this is my remediation script. And in the option, you also need to enable the run script in 64-bit PowerShell, and click on next, and click on create. We can deploy this script using the assignment method on your required set of devices. But for now, for demo purpose, I will choose a on-demand proactive remediation. So let me go to the all devices, and this is my test machine Hyper-V Win11. And then we have to click on three dots, click on the run scripts, and then you have to search for the script. And now you just click on this and run remediation. But before that, let me show you what is the current lock screen. If I just lock down my screen, you can see that currently I have not configured any lock screen. That is why it is showing black. So let me log in again and then click on run remediation. And now we can see that script executed successfully. And if we go to the device, we can also check the logs, and the log location is under the C drive. If you go to the program data, we have a folder called company folder branding, and there you can see that folder called lock screen.log. Open this log, and now we can see that detection script executed, and it is not able to find that lock screen which we are deploying. Now it is started remediating the things and applying the wallpaper, and then again the detection script is detecting whether the wallpaper is properly configured or not. And if you go back, you can see that lock screen wallpaper is also created in the company branding folder. Let me open this and show you that this is the lock screen which we want to deploy. So let me log out my device and see whether the lock screen is applied or not. So let me go to the lock option, and now we can see that the lock screen wallpaper is properly applied on the device. So that's how you can deploy the lock screen wallpaper using the proactive detection and remediation script.